YouTube? It's about Legendary Joes. Today I will be giving you guys a little video on the review of like how much it costs to put gas in a Dodge Charger RT. Right now, as you guys can see, I have about 61 miles until empty, but I'm about to get some food and then I will be driving to the gas station so I can show you guys how much it costs and how much you really have to pay throughout the day. Throughout the week on the RT. But it really just depends on the amount of driving that you was doing. As you guys can see right now, I was working on my ambient lighting, but it got hard. Like, I really don't know how to actually do the whole thing by myself, so I'm gonna try to get somebody to help me do it and who's experienced with doing it and who's somebody who's done it before, because I've never really done it for real, so I don't really know how to do like the doors or whatnot. So that's the only thing. But right now I just did the dash, like I put that together because that's the only thing I could really do. So, and it looked fire, I ain't gonna lie. As you guys can see, like, there's different modes. Right now I'm recording on my phone, so I can't really show you guys like the different modes that are on there. So you guys gonna have to, I guess, enjoy this one for right now until I end up switching to different modes that's gonna give you guys a little bit more colors. But right now I can't really do it since I'm actually recording on the phone who has the app for the lights. So that's all we're doing. That's a clean Porsche, I ain't gonna lie. As you guys can see, I don't know if you guys can see on the back of the car, like the headlights. You know, I got the fire headlights. One of the best in Oklahoma. And I'm gonna give you guys a little nighttime POV too. So even though I have no gas, I'm gonna just give you guys a little nighttime POV. One taillight is crazy. What could you possibly do? Like, you got a bumper delete? My bad, y'all, for that. Please hurry up. Since my car barely have any gas in it, it feels so slow right now. I'm gonna catch you guys when we get to the gas station because everybody driving slow today, so I'm gonna catch you guys at the gas station. Pulling up in the gas station right now. Let's go ahead and get this gas thing ready to go. As you guys can see, hold on. I was about 56 miles. Yeah, I'm at 58, so let's go. Damn. It's finally done. And here you guys go. It's about $42. I appreciate everybody who's been staying tuned with the video and watching the whole thing and staying up to date. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe on the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.